Hello everyone. Thank you for tuning in to the Desk Cookies installation experience. In today's episode, we will be installing a mount on the Blue Yeti microphone. Let's start off with the things you will need. First off, you will obviously need your Blue Yeti microphone. You will also need the 2 thumb screws that were included with the Blue Yeti. You will need the 2 plastic washers that were included with the Blue Yeti. And you will also need your Desk Cookies mount. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is take one of the plastic washers and hold it up to the inside of the microphone mount. You will then thread in one of your thumb screws just enough so that it pops through and is able to hold that washer in place. You're going to do that for both sides and then slide it over the microphone from behind. At this point, you're able to then thread in one of the thumb screws into one of the holes, and then you can do it to the other side. Make sure to snug up both sides, and make sure the microphone is nice and sturdy. If you have any questions, please let us know. Thanks for watching.